Hello everybody, my name is Robert Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to outline text in Photoshop. Let's get started. Jump! So, I have some text over here and now let's create the outline. To do that, I will double click on the layer with the text. I will change the color first on color overlay. It's okay, this blue. Now I will go to stroke and choose a stroke that's very bright, like this one, the white. And now I will go and create another stroke. You have this icon over here with this plus. It will create another layer with the stroke, and now I can play with them. Let's say I want to create not like this, something like this. So to do that, you need to create two strokes. One that's hovering and filling the gaps, and one that's only on the outline. And you hit OK. And that's how you create an outline on a text. Thanks for watching. I highly appreciate the time you're spending watching my videos. Let a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Robert Neacsu, jump!